Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to continue with Python and we have a very short task here to do with one variable, one if and else statement. And first I'm going to read the task and we will do it step by step so you will see how things are going on. Write a program that asks the fisherman the length of the fish in centimeters. If the fish is undersized, the program tells you to put the fish back into the lake, while informing the user how many centimeters are missing from the lowest allowed catch size. If a fish is undersized if its length is less than 37 centimeters. So here what we're going to do is to define a variable first here. We can call it size equals to, for example, float method. Here with float, we can use some numbers with comma. And we have to use this input variable also. And we can give a message here. For example, we can say enter the size of the fish in centimeters. The size of the fish in, let's say, centimeters in between parentheses here. So we need an if statement to see if the size is less than 37 here. So for that we write this if size here less than 37 centimeters. What we're going to do, we have to inform the user that this is small size, and we have also to inform the centimeters which are missing from this from 37. So we can write first here the print method here and say, for example, let's use an if state, an f string. So first let's say your fish is too small, like put it back in the lake. Yes. So how can we calculate how many, for example, remains from this size from 37? So we have to take the number 37 here minus the size inputted from the user here. We can use here a placeholder, take 37 minus the size. So from here we can get the missing centimeters, like if the size is 30 and we take this 37 minus 30, we will get 7 centimeters. So the user will know how many are remaining or how many are missing. Yes, we can put also centimeters or cm missing here. And down below, if the size is equals to 37 or bigger than 37, we just need to use an else statement here. So, and we will print or inform the user that the catch is correct, or what a nice catch, enjoy, for example. What a nice catch, enjoy. Yes, something like this. So we're going to run the code and see if this task is really answered from this. So you can right click and press run. Enter the size of the fish in centimeters. This is coming from here. We are asking the user to enter the size. Let's put a small size than 37. Let's say 30 and see which one is going to run. As you can see here, your fish is too small. So put it back. We didn't right here, put it back. But we are going to run it again and you will see. Put it back in the lake to 7 centimeters missing. So let's run it again here and see what's going on. Let's put the same number and enter. Your fish is too small. Put it back in the lake. 7 centimeters missing. As I told you here, because from the task here, while informing the user how many centimeters are missing from the lowest allowed catch. So we have informed him if he has 30 centimeters fish, there are still 7 missing, so he must put the fish back. So your fish is too small, you have to put it back. But what about if the fish is equals to this or bigger? What will we run here? We will see it if we run it again. And right now, let's put 37 here. As you can see, we have what a nice catch. Enjoy from here. And we run it again and put a bigger size fish in centimeters, then still the same. So this is the simple way of doing if-else statement in Python. And don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and so that you will not miss, because there are many tasks like this or sometimes a little bit bigger than this coming soon. See you. Bye bye.